A crisis about the cost of everyday things. Gas prices hitting another all-time high today. $4.62 for a gallon of regular.
I think it's absolutely disgraceful.
At the White House, a renewed push to acknowledge what Americans are feeling.
We're just in a difficult time right now with this inflation.
In the Oval Office, a rare in-person meeting between the president and the Federal Reserve chairman, who has ratcheted up interest rates, trying to tame inflation.
To discuss my top priority, and that is addressing inflation.
The president also published an opinion piece with his steps to fight inflation. A recent NBC News poll showed just 33% of Americans approve of the president's handling of the economy. Just paying for basics like rent is a constant worry for single mother of two, Kiara Age.
Within the next couple of weeks, me and my kids could possibly be on the streets because, the prices of everything keep going up.
Her rent in Nevada just went up 25%.
It's a lot. I try not to get emotional about it, but it's a heavy load to carry.
Back at the White House, President Biden has been rattled by his sinking poll numbers and is pressing aides for a more compelling message and sharper strategy to address inflation and improve his political standing. People close to the president tell NBC News. One Democratic lawmaker said the White House has failed to put forward an intellectually honest plan to combat inflation. The president's economic advisor on inflation today.
He's made very clear, and he's communicating very clearly that that's his top economic priority.
Lester, advisors also say the president has been concerned that his plain speaking style that he thinks connects with voters has been stifled by aides. And he's expressed frustration that he wants more Democrats to defend him on television. In addition, he's been getting weekly polling briefings. Sources say the president was mystified that his numbers are as low as former President Trump, and that Mr. Biden believes the White House has not yet landed on a winning midterm message. And he's putting pressure on people to figure out what that is.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.